Hi.
Yes. So, hello, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. You?
Yes, me too. Because nowadays I am attending my college.
Okay. I also just came back from the college just before 10 minutes ago. So that's why I
Oh,
was not ready to sit for this thing, but somehow I managed. That's why I'm sitting.
okay. Yes, I also was thinking that maybe you are busy. Yes, so that's why I thought maybe we will be connect at 4:30. I was thinking like that, and you messaged me. Yes,
And
so
everybody was having lunch at that time. The moment I came here, so everybody was having lunch. Then I somehow managed I just told them to go to another room because I wanted to make video over here only. So,
yes. So, ma'am, it's our first conversation for our viewers. So, please, could you introduce yourself?
yeah, sure. I'm an English teacher and I teach in a government school, that is college, you can call it, up to 12th. And I'm class teacher of class 12th, and I teach literature and language both. Since 2008 I've been teaching English, and apart from this I have my two own channels. One is for grammar and other is for spoken part. So teaching is my passion, and I love teaching. I love this language too. So that is why I'm working a lot on this language, and I also want people to learn this language. That's why I'm doing my best to give them good knowledge, whenever I connect with them. And now I have started teaching them online too. So yesterday I uploaded a video, you must have seen that video, where I'm teaching a lady from Meerut. So those I also just want to give this information that those who really want to connect with me for spoken part and they really want to have practice with me, they can connect with me. So I've given my description link in the description box. The previous video which I uploaded. I've given my link of Skype in the description box. You can connect with me so we can have classes of English. That would be like which it would be seem like you are taking class from Clapping Go and Cambly. It would be like that only, where we can converse and I can tell you about some grammar things too. So that's all.